What is up, guys? Today I have a new video for you guys. This time it's gonna be a reaction video from my daughter. She's 5 years old. I want to see what she thinks about the turbo sound and how fast the car is. It's not really that fast, but she's 5 years old, so let's see what she thinks. Okay guys, so we have another guest with us. This is my brother's son, Jaden, and this is my daughter, Katie. Díganoslo. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my car out real quick, and I'm gonna take them for a little spin. See what they think of the car. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna do a couple pulls, and we're gonna see what they think about it. I just need to find an open road. My daughter's in her chair, and my nephew is strapped in, so no worries about that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around and see what they think.
Otra vuelta.
Sí.
Pero que la veloz. Y vas a regresar hacia acá. Y vas a regresar acá. ¡Oh! ¡No vas a chocar! ¡Hazlo como Sonic! ¡Sí!
I'm only gonna leave those two little pulls because there's a lot of police right now, and I don't want to get a ticket or something. Okay guys, so as you can see, it started raining over here, so I had to leave my nephew and my daughter at home. But I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll try to keep posting more videos as long as parts keep coming in. I'll keep posting. So yeah, peace.